Right, a Hilti TE55 new chuck. I'm afraid there's no new chuck for this. Just not taking a bit. Still tangs on it. See what's going on with it. And that's okay. Chill will go in. There's nothing broken inside of it. That's okay. The problem there. A few bits of plastic that came off. They're little 4-wee keyways that locate onto these here four. Keep that metal locator centered for the round pins to locate onto. Right then, we 4 pieces of plastic, she just rotates around and she's all over the place then. Can't put the chisel on her out. So that's what we need. But that is obsolete. Cannot be got. Hilti do not supply them anymore. Okay, we're on luck. See the difference? These wee corners here, these wee knobs are broken off. That's gone. So we can use this one. Now there is one smaller pin to help locate it on the right place. So there's no confusion. It just clips on. And that's it. Now, that should hopefully cure the problem. There we go. Simple as that. Search long enough online, you might get somewhere selling these here. I don't know. That's the last one of them I have anyway, so that's the last repair for a Hilti TE55 here. Thanks for watching. Hit like and follow if you like the content, lads, and hit subscribe as well if you want to support the content. Cheers.